Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today we're going to read a book about counting and clapping called Clap, and then we're going to take a look at some numbers and compare them and see where they fall on the number line, and then we're going to do our activity in Orgo. So let's begin with this book called Clap. Put your hands together. This is the book where we all clap along because sometimes a book has a beat like a song. Clap once and we're started. You ready? Now clap 2 times more. Now clap while you stomp down 3 times on the floor. You ready? Clap 4 times for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 times for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6 times together because that's what friends do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now pause. Take a breather. Now start clapping again. Clap really quiet. Now clap really loud. Alright, stop. Now clap like you're happy. Now clap like you're proud. Clap like it's funny. Clap like it's cute. Clap because clapping is just such a hoot. The book's almost finished, and now you will see you are really just practicing clapping for me. So I hope you have saved all the strength you'll be needing to clap for my super fantabulous reading. And now a round of applause, please. Alright, good job. Alright, boys and girls, now we're going to take a look at some numbers. We're going to compare some numbers. And first of all, we have a number line. Here's a number line. Starts at 0, ends at 10, okay? Now, first of all, let's count up to 10 and back down to 0. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, back down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. All right, boys and girls. What is the on which side are the numbers less, and which side are they greater? Are they greater on this side? Is there? Yes, that's right. 10 is greater than 9. 9 is greater than 8, so they get greater this way. And on which side do they get less? Less on this side. 0 is definitely less than 1, and 1 is less than 2. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at a couple numbers. Let's subitize and see which is less and which is greater. First of all, what number is that? That's 2. Very good. How about this number? That is 5. Very good. So where should the 2 go? The 2 goes right here on the number line. And how about the 5? The 5 goes right here. Right here? No, right here. Very good. Now, which is less, the 2 or the 5? The 2. That's right. And which is greater? Which is more? The 5. Very good. Now, if we count from 0 all the way up to 10, which number will we say first? Will we say 2 or 5? We start where it's less and go to where it's greater. Let's find out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So we know that this is less and this is greater. Let's get a couple more numbers. What number is this? That's 6. Very good. And what number is this? That's right, that's 8. All right, so let's put 6 where it goes. And let's put 8 where it goes. Okay. Now, which is less? 6 or 8? 6 is less. And we're going to count. We're going to say 6 when we count to 10 first, right? We know it's less because of that too. Which is greater? 8 is greater than 6. It's more than 6. Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. We counted 6 first because it's less than 8. All right, let's do 2 more. How about this number right here? What is that one? That's 7. Very good. And now how about this number? 0. Nothing, right? So let's put 7 where it goes. And let's put 0 where it goes. So which is less? What are we going to count first as we count from 0 to 10? We're going to count, well, let's find out. 0, that's first. That should be less, that is less than that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can see that it's less, but we also know that it's less because we count it first on the number line. We're counting up from less to greater, okay? So which is greater? 7, right? 7 is more than 0. All right, boys and girls. Now for activity, we're going to go to our stepping stones, and this is on page 59 and 61, okay? So on 59, what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all these rectangles. These rectangles here, you see where these lines are at? Just cut them all out, okay? And all the way through, just cut these out first. Take your time. And then we're going to paste these in the boxes here, okay? So now it doesn't actually matter which boxes you go in, and actually it's better to mix them up, okay? So you don't have to put 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. No, it's better actually to mix them up. Maybe put 6 up here, 10 over here, maybe 7 over here, 1 over there, whatever you want, but mix them up and then paste them, glue them onto these spots here. So if I, for instance, put 4, put a little glue on the back there, and the glue stick 4 there, and then maybe 7 would go here, okay? And then maybe 6 here, 3 here. But for instance, if I glue 4 here and I have 7 here, then I'm going to look at them and I have 4 and I have 7. I'm going to loop the greater number, okay? Not the one that's less, but the one that's greater. So if I have 4 here and 7 here, which one would I loop? I would loop 7, right? 7 is greater. So go ahead, cut these out, mix them up, glue them, and loop the side, circle the side that is greater on each one, whichever one it is. And it's going to be different for every student, right? Because you may mix them up different, okay? All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for math.